Hello and welcome again to Super Teacher channel. In this lesson, I'm going to explain for you rate of change and slope. Rate of change and slope, most of the students, they confuse between them. They're already the same thing. While I'm explaining the questions, I'm going to explain more about the slope and how to find it. So let's start with the first question. Find the rise and run between each set of points, then write the slope and tell whether it is positive, negative, zero, or undefined. So we have four kinds of slope, which is positive, negative, zero, and undefined. Let's see how to find the slope. We have too many ways to find the slope, but the first way is from the graph, from things called rise and run. What do we mean by rise and what do we mean by run? Let's see how. So we have the first point 0, negative 4. The second point is 5 and 0. I'm going to go from this point to this point. First of all, I'm going to find the rise. How to find the rise? Rise means I'm going to go up or down. Up or down. If you go up, you will the number will be positive. If you go down, the number will be negative. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4. So the rise is 4 and not negative 4 because I went up. Now I'm going to go to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the run. So this is the rise and this is the run. The run will be a horizontal way and the vertical way is the rise. So the run also is positive because I went to the right. It will be 5. So the slope will be the rise over the run, which is 4 over 5. 4 over 5 is positive number, so the slope is positive. From the shape of the line, I can find if it's positive or negative. It's going up from left to right. It's going up. The line is going up, so it is positive. Let's see another example. Okay, here we have 1, 3, and the other point is negative 2 and 9. I'm going to go from this point to this point, or from this point to this point. You can find both ways. You can do both ways. Let's do the other way, from down, from up to down. Okay, 1. I'm going down now. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 6 down, so the rise is negative 6. Why negative 6? Because I went down. Now the run. The run, I'm going to go to the right. Okay, 1, 2, okay, 3. So the run is 3, but positive 3. Why positive 3? Because I went to the right. So the slope will be negative 6 over 3, which is negative 2. Why the slope this time is negative? Because it's going down. See, the line is going down. Here the line is going up. Here the line is going down. So if the line is going down, so the slope will be negative. If the slope is going up, the slope will be positive. What if I want to go with the other side? Somebody will tell me, okay, what if I went to go from this point to this point? Let's see how it will be the same answer or not. I'm going up, okay, from this point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But this time it's positive 6. Why it's positive 6? Because I went up. Here I went down, so it will be negative. Now I'm going to go to the left. So here 1, 2, 3. But here it will be negative 3. Why it will be negative 3? Because I went to the left. So it will be 6 over negative 3. 6 positive and negative 3 to the left. So it will be negative 2. It will be the same answer of the other way. So if you went from up to down or from down to up, it will be the same answer. But you have to be careful about the signs of the rise and the run. If you go up, it will be positive. If you go down, it will be negative. If you go right, it will be positive. If you go To the left it will be negative. Let's see another example, which is the line here. I can see the line here is horizontal line. Let's see how will be the slope will be. Now let's see the rise. Can I go up or down to go to this point? No. So the rise is 0 because I'm not going up and I'm not going down. So the rise is 0. The run, let's see the run. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 4 to the right. Okay? Or you can go from this line to this line to this point to this point will be negative 4. It will be the same answer because I'm going to put 0 over 4. It will be 0. Even if 0 over negative 4 also it will be 0. So this is the rule. Whenever the line is horizontal, the slope will be 0. So if the line is going up, it will be positive. If the line is going down, it will be negative. Here we didn't write, it is negative. Okay, if the line here is horizontal, so it will be 0. Let's see the last kind of slopes, which is the line is vertical. Let's see the slope, how it will be the slope. Okay, the rise. Let's see the rise. I'm going to go from down to up. Going up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I went 7 up. Right is 7. Do we have run right or left? No. So I'm going to write 0. So the slope will be 7 over 0. I cannot write this in math. I cannot put the 0 down, or otherwise it will be undefined. So if the line is vertical, the slope will be undefined. So now we know the four kinds of the lines. The line is positive, the line is negative, the slope for sure. The slope of the line is positive, the slope of the line is negative, the slope of the horizontal line, whenever it's horizontal, not only this one, even if we have 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 this one, all these, the slope is what? The slope is 0. Okay, here if we have any vertical line, not only this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, all the vertical lines, the slope will be undefined. I hope the explanation was easy for you, and it was helpful for you also. Please, if you found it good and you understand it well, press like and share it to your friends and leave for me a comment. Thanks for you. Bye bye.